You know that moment at night when you're lying in bed, phone in your hand, and your mind just won't stop. You're thinking about everything you should be doing: working out, studying, starting that thing you keep delaying, fixing your life, and you tell yourself, tomorrow I'll start. Tomorrow I'll be ready. I lived in tomorrow for years. And the scary part? I didn't even realize my life was on pause. I thought I had a motivation problem. I kept waiting to feel inspired, waiting to feel confident, waiting to feel less tired, waiting to feel more like myself. But ready never came. Some days I had energy, I'd do a little. Then I'd fall off again. Then guilt. Then overthinking. Then promises to try again next week. It was a loop, a quiet, slow, comfortable loop. From the outside, my life looked fine, but inside, I felt behind, stuck, frustrated with myself. The shift didn't happen during some huge breakthrough. It happened on a random, ordinary day, when I didn't feel like doing anything. I was tired, unmotivated, low energy, and there was this one small task I'd been avoiding for weeks. Normally I'd say, I'm not in the right headspace. But that day, I had a different thought. What if I stop waiting to feel ready and just do it badly? Not perfectly, not confidently, not inspired. Just start. That sounds small, but for me, it felt like a mental earthquake. Because my whole life, I believed something. Action comes after emotion. First feel ready, then act. But what if it's the other way around? So I did the task, poorly, slowly, with zero excitement. But I did it, and something strange happened. I didn't feel amazing. I didn't suddenly become a new person. But I felt a little more in control. Just a bit, like I had finally grabbed the steering wheel, instead of sitting in the passenger seat of my own life. That day didn't change everything, but it changed the direction. Because I started testing one idea. Act first, feel later, not in big dramatic ways. In small, almost boring ways. Didn't feel like working out? Just 5 minutes. Didn't feel like studying? Just open the book. Didn't feel like fixing my sleep? Just get in bed 20 minutes earlier. No speeches, no hype, no waiting for the perfect mood. Here's what slowly changed. First, my relationship with myself. Before, I didn't trust myself. I'd promise things and then break them over and over. And every broken promise quietly told my brain, you don't follow through. That hurts more than we admit. But when I started acting, despite how I felt, even in tiny ways, I started keeping small promises. And every time I did, my brain noticed, oh, we actually do what we say now. That builds self-respect. And self-respect changes your whole life. Second, my emotions stopped controlling everything. Before, my mood was the boss. If I felt tired, nothing happened. If I felt stressed, I escaped into my phone. If I felt overwhelmed, I avoided. Feelings were running the show. But when you act first, something flips. You realize something powerful. Feelings are information, not commands. I feel tired doesn't have to mean do nothing. I feel scared doesn't have to mean don't try. You can feel something and still move. That's quite power. Third, momentum became easier. I used to think discipline meant being intense all the time. Big routines, big goals, big effort. But real momentum came from starting before I felt ready. Because action creates emotion. You don't feel motivated, you act, motivation grows. You don't feel confident, you act, confidence grows. Waiting never gave me momentum, movement did. And look, this doesn't make life easy. There are still days I don't feel like doing anything. Days I'm tired. Days I want to quit. The difference now is simple. I don't treat those feelings as a stop sign. They're just weather. Some days are sunny. Some days are heavy. But the car still moves, even if it's slow. So here's the practical part. Lower the emotional requirement to start. Stop asking, do I feel ready? Start asking, what's the smallest action I can take right now? Not the perfect action, not the full plan. The smallest step. Open the laptop, stand up from the bed, write one sentence, do one push-up, set one alarm. You're not trying to change your whole life tonight. You're trying to prove something to yourself. I can move, even when I don't feel like it. That proof changes everything. Because the person you want to become, they don't wake up every day excited and motivated. They just move anyway. Quietly, consistently, imperfectly. That's the real difference. So tonight, don't wait to feel ready. Pick one thing you've been avoiding. Make it so small your brain can't argue with it. And just start. Not because you feel ready, but because you're done letting feelings decide your future. Let's get a little better, one small action at a time.